Have you ever sewn a snap onto a garment only to find that the snap and the thread show through to the other side? It can be really frustrating. I'm Robin Bird from Sheer Fun Sewing. Today's sewing tutorial is all about fabric buttons and how to make them. It's a do-it-yourself project that's fun and easy to do, and it can add extra flair to your clothing. So, let's get started. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my next video on the Mona skirt, where I'll be using fabric buttons to add some extra pizzazz. Keep an eye on my community channel for when that will be posted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials and tips. Until next time, remember, don't let fitting room frenzy get you down when you can sew it better.